On July 25, 2024, Dallas Police North Central Crime Response Team received a notification of a stolen vehicle from a flock license plate. After a preliminary investigation, officers find the stolen truck backed into a parking space inside of an apartment complex. Upon further investigation, the truck was found to be occupied by 4 suspects. What happens next will shock you. Let's first watch this dashcam footage from one of the officers.
I'd say falling behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him back. I'll keep on coming. Keep on going. In terms of the dumpster, he's right there.
As they pull up to the vehicle's location, things take a shocking turn.
Ready? Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Yeah,
Oh shit, that's a ram. Black.
He wants to ground. He wants to ground. Shit! 671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
10-4, make it cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Your call has been updated.
He's gonna be running west to the complex, heading towards the David Buster. For all black jacket, you take off his hat, black male.
Your call has been updated.
Buster's good over here, by the building.
This parking lot surveillance footage shows how the encounter went. The suspects immediately jump out of the truck and take off frantically.
Fucking shit!
Let's watch another angle from the officer's body cam.
It is running though. Are they running? Do you want me to pull out ahead of y'all? Get a little more block as I pull in behind him or just pull behind?
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
I'd say falling behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him back. I'll keep on coming. Keep on going. In terms of the dumpster, he's right there.
Yep. Ready? Oh, shit! God damn it! You good?
Watch how they get into an immediate shootout once they notice one of the criminals is armed.
He's got a gun! He's got! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Fucking shit!
671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
Hang on, Tim!
10-4, make it cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Good! He's running north! Running north! He's gonna be running west to the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
The police officer then proceeds to run after the now unarmed criminal.
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, southwest corner. He's on a white shirt, but get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move! He's behind the fences, or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch, I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker!
One of the suspects finally gets what he's asking for. He was hit with a bullet in his side from the earlier exchange.
Fucking hit.
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get med kit.
Yeah. Where you hit at?
On the side.
Okay, hey. You got gloves, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's out there. She fucking... What is your name? Eric. Eric what?
Let's watch yet another officer's body cam.
Shit! God damn it! Good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Truck the fucking gun! Good, good, good! He's running north! He's running north! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Buster. He's stopping. He's wearing all black, black jacket. He took off his hat, black male. He dropped his gun over here.
By the building. John, I'm east of the south. Where's he at?
Fuck. You guys okay? Oh fuck, dude. There's on top of him. He's on top of him.
Oh shit. That's a ram.
He fires 2 shots from his window.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go. Don't fucking move.
One of the other criminals lay flat on the road, probably regretting his life choices. It is unclear if he is injured or not, but he definitely had it coming. Let's watch another officer's body cam from a different angle.
We got one more gun. Hang on. To the fucking ground. I'm not gonna beat us. I'm not gonna be aggressive. I already told you. You already fucking were. In your other fucking hand.
The suspect is pinned on the ground, barely keeping it together.
Who shot at us? I don't know if that was a guy shooting too.